Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to easily work with our digital files. The first step is to purchase the product on Etsy. Once you complete the payment, you can instantly download the file directly from your account. This is a compressed folder that you need to unzip or extract first. You'll find a test file inside the folder. This file is crucial. Every laser and material behaves a little differently, which is why it's important to run a test first. Choose the test pieces that match the thickness of the material you'll be working with. Cut out these small test pieces. When a laser cuts, it removes a small amount of material. This is called the kerf. We are testing different offsets precisely to compensate for this kerf, ensuring the parts fit together perfectly. Always connect the sides with the same value. 0 with 0, 0.05 with 0.05, and so on. Look for the connection that is snug, but can still be assembled without using excessive force. Now that you know your ideal offset, open the main product file in Lightburn. Find the design group that matches your winning offset. Delete the rest. Then ungroup the design. Select the version for your material thickness and desired size. Again, delete all other versions. Now just move the final parts to your workspace and you're ready to cut. And now let's do the same in XTool Creative Space. Import the main file. It's very important to select the Keep Original Size option to ensure the dimensions remain correct. Ungroup the design. Again, find the group with your offset, delete the rest, and select the correct thickness and size. Delete everything you don't need. You might find that you can't move just a single part. If this happens, right-click on the design and select Release Compound Vector. This will separate the parts, allowing you to move them freely. Now you can just arrange them and you're ready to cut. And that's it. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy creating!